Yaymath.
This is not
It's not going.
Start over.
I am the mathematician. That's what's going on. Today we will be doing operations with radical expressions. Are you ready, class?
It's not filming.
Oh, it is filming. The magic is happening before your eyes.
You pressed the button, you idiot.
How do you know it's filming? I'm omnipotent. Omnipotent. And I know it's filming. And now I can see a magical song about to occur. Yay! That was brilliant. Now on to the course at hand. I wish I had a marker. Ding, ding, ding. Woo! All right. Please write the following expressions. Express yourself in life and with math. Expressions. Expressions. Is it a cologne or something? Okay. 4 square root of 3 times 2 square root of 3. There's nothing funny about the mathematician. That's what's...
Sorry, she was ground.
Feel free to laugh, though. I'm not one of those, like, mean... Yeah, I'm not an uptight mathematician.
You're too hard.
I'm an uptight mathematician. Okay. All right. So, everything we do today will be based on understanding the difference between these two operations. Let's talk about it. Who knows what to do with the first situation? Who knows what to do with the second? Yes, loud.
Well, for the first one, I think that you do 4 times 2 first.
You do 4 times 2, good. What was that? What's that going to be?
8.
8.
And then you do, what's it called? What's under the square root? So 3 times 3, which is 9. So you do square root 9.
Square root of 9,
Which is...
okay. So, which is?
3.
3. So it's 8 times 3, which is?
24.
24. So it's 8 times 3. 24. Questions?
No.
So whatever, that's nice to know. Whatever's under the square roots, you multiply then, if it's a multiplication property here. Okay, standing over here again. Who knows what to do with the addition? Please. Okay, if you don't know, that's good.
Can you add square roots?
Okay. You
Like
add,
in like terms? Yeah.
you add square roots just like terms.
Okay.
Alright? As seen here. Go! The rule just appeared magically.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah.
I was looking.
Yeah. You'll see what I mean. I'm a magician. Mathematician. Alright, so it's like terms. If this is as if it were 4x plus 2x, what would the answer be?
8x.
4x plus 2x?
6x.
6x. Okay. So 4 root 3 plus 2 root 3. How many root 3s do we have? 6.
So it'd be
6.
to the square root of 6?
No. You don't
So you're
change
not
what you
adding
have.
them.
In one hand I have 4 root 3s. The other hand I have 2 root 3s. Together I have 6 root 3s.
Oh, so 6. So the square root doesn't change.
The square root does not change. That is the conclusion.
Oh.
Oh.
You group them. When you group things, you don't change them. Right? You're grouping 4 apples plus 2 apples, you have 6 apples.
That makes
It's not apples squared or apples cubed or anything. Okay. These are the basic rules. Understand these rules. We're going to do about 4 problems. Okay. So, watch the magistry. I'm going to erase with magic. Alright. Ready and erase. Okay, wow, that was pretty cool. Amazing. Okay. So let's write another one down. Shall we?
We shall.
I wasn't expecting that, but thank you. That was awesome. Alright. You know what mathematicians dance to. And they,
There's a special mathematician dance.
Right. There's a school for it. It's called UM-tician. State. City. Okay. What do we do here? Do I have a lot to write? Is the answer convoluted?
Yeah.
I don't know the answer. No
Is
solution.
the answer?
What do you mean no solution? What?
Wait, is it no solution?
This is a solution.
Well, you could,
Can we add them?
well, you could, but you'd have to put 2 square root things.
We cannot add these. They're not like terms, so they can't be combined. So we leave it alone. We leave it alone, all right? So we'll call this simplest form. Simplest form. We can't do anything with it. All right, so keep that in mind. Here we go. 3 plus. Okay, now we're getting into it. How would we solve this? How would we solve this, I should say? Does that help you learn?
Oh, first
Suggestions?
write.
Yeah.
First write it out. So 3 plus square root of 5, and then
Okay.
3 plus square root of 5.
That works. 3 plus square root of 5. And again,
3
3
plus
plus
square root of 5.
square root of 5.
And maybe foil it.
Maybe foil it or for sure foil it.
For sure foil it.
For sure foil it. All right. These are
First.
called binomials. You're adding two things together, so we foil. Any questions about her suggestion? Which is a good one.
Good
Okay.
job.
Okay, nice. Very good. Okay, ready? Foil saran wrap
9.
lunch. Yeah. 9. More.
Plus 3 square root 5.
3 square root 5. Whoa. Okay. 3 square root 5. More.
Plus 3 square root 5.
Ta-dam. Now say the last one as if you were a mathematician, because that's what you are now.
Plus square root 5. Because we're gonna listen, because we're gonna have to simplify it in the
Oh,
end.
no, say it again. What times what?
Okay, plus square root 25.
Plus square root 25, which is what?
Square root 5.
Can anyone help her out?
5 because it's not a square root anymore because we already square rooted it.
Right. So square root
Plus
of
5.
25. We're multiplying these two.
Okay.
Becomes a square root of 25. Square root of 25 is 5.
Okay.
Right. Keep in mind, you guys. Keep in mind, plus 5 here. That whenever you multiply two square roots that are the same thing, it just turns out to the number underneath. Right? So the square root of 3 times the square root of 3 is what?
9.
9.
Square root of 9, which is 3. Square root of 4 times square root of 4 is 4. Square root of 10 times square root of 10 is 10. Square root of banana times square root of banana is banana. No, not apple. But those are delicious. Okay. Combining. Remember what we did at the beginning. What can combine here? I'm going to stand over here. I'm going to float over
Two
here.
middle terms.
The two middle terms combine. Can someone help her out? She's doing great. She's a mathematician.
And the two beginning ones.
Mathemagician.
Mathematician.
So the first.
No, I want to get more people involved. Thank you. Doing great. Yes.
Okay, the O and the I combine.
The O and the I. Okay, so what do these two make?
Okay, do you combine like terms so it would, and it's addition, so it would be, 6.
6.
And then square root of 10. Right?
Look at your notes. See what we did at the very beginning. Yes, try again. Say what it would be. Loud.
6 root 5.
6 root 5. 6 root 5. Elevator.
That's a really good song.
I'm here. 6 root 5. Your floor, master. Yes. What's the next? What's next? Plus what?
Plus 9.
Plus what?
5.
Okay.
9.
So 5 and 9. Go ahead. What?
14.
Why do you say 14? Or do you want to say 14?
14.
14. Okay. Works for me. If you have any questions, ask. It's okay. This is the answer.
Oh!
I'm happy. Great.
That's the answer?
That's the answer.
Oh, it's so easy.
Can we do anything? I'm so happy you feel that way. Mathematician.
Magician!
Yeah.
It's
Okay,
working.
yeah.
There's no point in
Mathematician.
your mouth if
Excuse
you're
me.
not a
Mathematician.
mathematician.
Hello. Okay. So yeah, this is the answer. We're erasing. I don't need to erase. I'm a mathematician. Okay, watch this. Ready?
No.
Erase.
I think she was.
Okay, that was great. That was magical. Wow, I wonder how that happened. It's you. It's you. You're magical. Okay, next.
That was really corny.
I know. -2. But thank you for honesty. 2 square root. Okay. Who can solve this with the power of their minds?
How of our life.
Who got it? Anyone?
All of you.
Okay, you would think that it's in simplest form, but it's not yet because of the 28.
Oh yeah.
Can you simplify?
You can. Good call.
Okay.
How would you do it? Yes, yes,
We
yes.
get 4
4.
7.
and 7.
Okay, so we're going to simplify the 28 here. So here we go.
And the
2 square root of. Can this be simplified? No.
No.
There's no perfect square factors.
Yeah, but don't you have to do it to both sides?
Yeah.
No, no. We're just going to rewrite the 28. 28 is a product of what and what?
7 and 4.
7 and 4. Here it comes.
Oh,
So-
7 times 4?
4 times 7. We'll put it like that. Okay? 4 times 7. And then we're going to do the splitteroni. So this is minus 2 times the square root of what? We're going to split these. Square root of what?
2. 4.
No, no.
4.
See what you see, yeah.
Times
Square root of 4
Times square root of 7.
times square root of 7.
Oh yeah, I remember this.
Okay, I'm glad you remember. Yes. All right, so what's the square root of 4? Continue.
2.
2. So I'm going to just write 2 in place of this. Minus 2 times square root of 7. And what's this become now?
Negative.
Negative 4
times square root of 7.
root 7.
Wow.
That's exactly what happens. I stepped on my magic rope. Okay. So this becomes minus 4 root 7. So we have 3 root 7 minus 4 root 7. Yes.
Do we have to write all of those steps?
No, no, no. It's a good question. If you're comfortable simplifying square root of 28, I want you to do that in your mind. Use the power of your mind. 28, you think of 4 and 7 inside. All right, 4 and 7 are inside. You're thinking this. Square root of 4 comes out as 2. You can think that. Okay? So square root of 28 is 2 root 7. Multiply it by the 2 out here. That creates 4 root 7. Right? You get better at it. Guaranteed. So I'm going to break down this 3 root 7. Okay. Now, is it in simplest form?
Yeah.
No. Not yet. Yes.
Okay, so the square root stays the same, but you have to subtract
Yes.
like terms.
Yes.
So it's negative 1
Uh-huh.
square root 7.
Good. Negative 1 square root 7. I know you're the fan of the 1, so instead of saying negative 1 square root 7, could we say another?
Negative square root 7.
Negative square root 7. I'm glad. Remember I asked you to consult your notes? That seemed to work. That's great. I hope, can you retain that? Can you retain that concept? When you add them, do you change the square roots? No. I can't wait to see your test. Okay, here we go. That's the answer. All right? So if you can simplify, please do. We're going to do one more. Okay, so here we go. The power of the mind, erase now.
Yeah.
Okay, that was great. Ooh, not too bad. Oh, my glasses appeared too. Wow.
UV ray protection!
Thank you for that. There's a lot of UV in here, so yeah, to be sure. Okay, one more. One more, make it count. Ready? I'm going to read it out so you can just do it with me. 5 square root of 2 plus 3 square root of 5. 2 square root of 10
Wait, slow down.
minus 3. Okay, so this is the extent of where it's going to get in terms of
Wait,
its
do we FOIL this?
difficulty. Yes. Agreement that we're going to FOIL. Okay. So let's do a FOIL. Who's going to do F and O, please? F and O. F and O. F and O.
I will.
There you go. Okay, please, that would be great. Thank you.
Me?
Yes.
Okay. 5 times square root of 2.
Yes.
Wait.
I will wait.
Wait.
Okay, I'm still waiting.
Will I have to simplify?
No, just write it first, please.
So just do 10 times the square root of 2 times the square root of 10?
What is that? Multiply the outside numbers, which you did. 5 times 2 is 10, right?
But I thought you
Multiply the inside numbers.
which is 20.
So what's the F going to be?
Oh,
10?
but it's multiplication.
Right.
Oh, so it's 10 times the square root of 20.
10 times the square root of 20. Good.
Oh my.
Okay, nice. And you're going to do O, please, for the class. You're doing great.
15 times square root of 2. No, minus 15 times
Very
square root
good,
of
yeah. Minus 15. times the square root of 2. Good. F-O. Who's got ill? I-L. Are you ill? I mean, cool. Ill. It's ill. Yeah, you want to try it? Come on, you can do it. Okay, you don't want to try it? It's fine. It happens. Yeah? Oh, you want to try it? Okay, go.
Okay, then 3 square root 5 times 2 square root 10, and that's going to be 6 square root 15.
Not 15.
Oh,
Try again.
50.
50, okay? So it's 6 square root 50. Good. One more, L.
And minus 9.
Minus what?
Oh, sorry. Minus,
Those two multiplied?
yeah, minus 9 square root of 5.
Minus 9 square root of 5. Bravo,
Can't we
bravo.
write 3 square root of 5 instead?
3 square root of 5 times negative 3 square root of 5
But
is 9 square root of 5.
but 9 you can like reduce 9.
No, 9 is outside.
Oh, okay.
Okay, good call. All right, good. Now we just have to combine these as much as possible. Simplification. All right. Volunteer for 20. Square root of 20, reducing. I know you know how to do this. Okay, yes.
5 times 4.
5 times 4 is inside. Okay. So here we go. 10. Here we go. Okay, so what's the square root of 4? 2. The 2 multiplies with 10 to make 20. So this reduces to 20 square root of 5. Very good. 20 square root of 5. And a quick peek in the problem says, oh, we're going to combine it with this. All right? Questions on that concept? Okay, keep aware of the big picture. So 20 square root of 5 is done. Very nice. Minus. Can this be reduced?
No.
No. So leave it. Can this be reduced?
Yeah.
Okay, what are the two factors? Yes, please. Go ahead, yeah.
25 and 2.
25 and 2. All right, so I'm going to write it as such. 6, 25 times 2. Okay, do you remember the verbal process we just went through before? Can you reduce this and write the answer of what 6 root 50 reduces to as a result, please?
It would be 30 root 2.
How do you get 30 root 2? It's correct.
Because 25 is the square root of 25.
The square root of 25 is?
5.
Yeah,
Times
5. All right, and 5 multiplies with 6 here.
Yeah.
To make
which is
30. And so that becomes 30.
Root 2.
Root
The
2.
2 stays inside.
The 2 stays inside. Very good. Okay, so this is plus 30 root 2. Let's get a little line here. Okay, let's get a little separation. Okay, and 9 root 5 we agreed can't change, so we're going to write it again. This is good. I hope you guys are, do you feel like this is sticking?
Sinking in.
I hope it's sticking. Okay. Combining like terms like we did at the very, very beginning, the second rule we did. All right, so what can combine?
F and L.
F and L, cool. So what do they make? 20
And so can O and
yeah,
I.
so let's do F and L first. 20 root 5 minus 9 root 5.
180 root 5.
You're multiplying. Why are you multiplying now?
Add them? Or subtract
Add,
them?
subtract, yes.
So it's 11 root 5.
11 root 5. Good. Pay attention to the details, you'll be fine. 11 root 5. Okay, volunteer to do the last very thing we do today. Yes?
Minus 15 root 2.
Why? Why minus 15 root 2?
Because minus 15 plus 3
Is what?
is minus.
Try again. Minus 15 plus 30. What's that?
Oh,
Minus,
Say louder.
positive 15.
Positive 15 root 2.
yay.
Where's my magic eraser? My magic ran out. Okay.
Your magic never can run out.
Thank you. Magic never runs out. All right. Okay, that was. Thank you, class. That was a wonderful Mathemagician thing. We're going to do one more for the road. Okay, ready? I hear a magical song coming. Yaymath! Thank you. Farewell. Godspeed.